Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do Kiyora Jin Breakdance. We'll begin by understanding the core elements of breakdancing, which include top rock, footwork, freezes, and power moves. Always start with a proper warm-up, spending at least 10 minutes preparing your body. This helps prevent injuries and gets your muscles ready for dynamic movements. Make sure you have a safe, open practice area with a smooth floor, like a dance studio or a clean, hard surface. Next, let's dive into essential footwork. The sixth step is a cornerstone move. Practice moving your legs in a continuous circular motion, keeping your body low. Once comfortable, try the three-step, a simpler yet crucial variation that builds balance and fluidity. Don't forget to explore other steps like the two-step and five-step to add variety and complexity to your routines. Consistent practice of these foundational steps will significantly improve your overall flow. Now, let's explore freezes and power moves. Start with the baby freeze, a fundamental pose where you hold your body still, balancing on your head and hands for a count of 3 to 5 seconds. Progress to the crab freeze, supporting your weight on your hands and feet in a stable table position. For power moves, try the backspin, focusing on generating momentum and controlled rotation. Remember, safety is paramount. Always practice these moves on a soft surface or with a spotter if possible. To truly master Kiyora Jin Breakdance, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of dedicated practice, 3 to 5 times each week. Recording yourself is incredibly helpful. It allows you to objectively review your movements and pinpoint areas needing refinement. Also, observe experienced dancers. Their creativity and execution can provide immense inspiration and new ideas for your own combinations. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and enjoy the process of learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.